Hi everyone, my name is Yovita from the Podium support team, and welcome to the Podium support top tips for Podium platform navigation. And the topic that we're discussing today is how to use state charge calculator in Podium. I will enter into a live demo situation now. So welcome to the Podium homepage or Podium dashboard. So when you're looking for a state charge calculator, just go to your left-hand side of the dashboard, click More, under Broker Tools, State Charges Calculator. It will take you to the State Charges Calculator homepage. And here, just for demo purposes, I will put in an example data. So for state, you can choose any other state and I will leave it as Victoria. Borrow type, I will leave it as person. Primary finance purposes, I will leave it as purchase. Property purpose, owner occupied, and property type, I will leave it as established property. I will enter an example purchase price. And you can take any of the button here. I'll take first home buyer concession just for demo purpose. When I click calculate, it will calculate all the data that you have entered on the left-hand side right here. And on the top part here, you can also print this data. By clicking here, it will give you an option to print into PDF or document, Words document. I'll choose PDF. When I open the documents, it will show me all the calculation that I have entered before, with also the printed date, which is today, 29th of April, 2020. If you need more information, you can go to Podium Knowledge Hub, or also you can contact us by email on podium.support@podium.net.au. Thanks for watching.